Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village. Do you know a special someone, that very special lady who's into the Red Hat Society? Well, our dear Nana inspired me to make this red hat wreath for those special people who are part of that Red Hat Society. I went to the local craft store and I found all kinds of different things, different ribbons that I could use, but I fell in love with this feathery looking yarn. What I did was to triple the yarn and use it as ribbon to weave through my pretzel wreath. When you're making a project like this, it could take 10 to 20 minutes depending on the amount of time you take to arrange your piece. Once you start weaving something through, whether it's ribbon or feathers or yarn, through your wreath, you want to make sure that you cross over a joint, and that way you're adding strength to your wreath. You want to go all the way around, weaving in and out until you get back to the original spot. Once you're there, you want to go ahead and take your glue gun. You can use your hot glue gun once your piece has been shellacked or varnished or covered with polyurethane. You don't have to use Elmer's glue anymore. You can use your hot glue gun. Once you get back to that starting point, as you can see, I'm just pushing it through because this piece, obviously, I want the yarn to look very feathery and wild because, you know, those Red Hat ladies, they're pretty wild. Once you get back to your starting point, take your hot glue gun, lay a bead of glue on that joint and press it down until it's sealed, and then you can clip off the extra pieces. Then you can pull it out, fluff it up, and then whatever you're going to use for decorations or embellishments, you want to lay them around on your wreath where you want them to be. I found this was a patch, and these were buttons. Then I also found a whole package of feathers, and these were really fun to play with too. Those I put on the back side, and a lot of times when you do something like that, it gives your ornament or your wreath kind of a 3D, more of a 3D effect. So go ahead and find the spot where you want to glue, lay on the glue, and just simply put your feathers around. You can do this for a Southwestern or a Native American effect too. And once they're glued on, they will be behind, and then your feathery effect will be in the front. So, on behalf of Nana, I proudly present to you and all the Red Hat ladies of America, our very fun and wild Red Hat wreath.